Today, we're excited to show you the 2015 Honda Freed, a compact minivan that's super popular with families. It's perfect size, easy to handle on narrow streets and in tight parking spots, yet spacious enough to seat up to 7 passengers. It's a non-smoking vehicle with maintenance records. You can tell it's been well cared for by the previous owner. It's designed with real-life convenience in mind. The sliding doors make getting in and out a breeze, ideal for kids and seniors alike. And check this out, this car comes equipped with a navigation system, backup camera, and smart key, fully loaded and ready to drive the moment you get it. Fuel efficiency? You bet. It delivers excellent mileage to help you save on gas. Flexible seating for any situation. The Honda Freed gives you smart 3-row seating for up to 7 people. Need more cargo space? Just fold down the 3rd row. It's quick and easy. All that at a budget-friendly price, but don't wait. This one won't stay on the lot for long. Start your new driving life with the Honda Freed, the car that fits your lifestyle perfectly. So if you're interested, contact us today.